Amidst laughter and playful banter, Lily and her furry companion discover a mysterious deep hole hidden amongst the lush greenery. Tempted by curiosity, Lily takes a misstep and tumbles into the gaping chasm, shrieking in surprise and fear, causing Oliver to leap into action. Despite his good intentions, the rabbit's rescue mission takes an unexpected turn, complicating Lily's predicament and heightening the tension. The woodland animals band together, utilizing their unique skills and strengths to formulate a daring plan to free Lily from the perilous pit. With focused determination, the creatures construct a precarious ladder, a beacon of hope for Lily to ascend and escape the confining darkness. The storm's wrath intensifies, adding a new layer of difficulty to Lily's ascent, testing her resilience and the unwavering bond she shares with her loyal companion. With unwavering devotion, the rabbit showcases his agility and bravery, offering a helping paw to guide Lily upwards through the treacherous conditions. Amidst nature's fury, Lily and Oliver face their toughest challenge yet, battling not just the physical elements but their own fears and doubts in a race against time. Through unwavering teamwork and perseverance, Lily and her steadfast friend triumph over adversity, emerging from the darkness stronger and more resilient than before. United by their shared ordeal, the diverse animal friends stand as a testament to the power of friendship and cooperation, their bond unbreakable and hearts full of joy. As the sun breaks through the dissipating clouds, illuminating the forest with its warm glow, the profound message of friendship and resilience resonates deeply within young hearts. With their friendship tested and proven, Lily and Oliver embrace the future with courage and hope, knowing that together, they can overcome any obstacle that comes their way.